Hi folks, it's Bruce from Big Plant. Another one of my videos. This time I thought I'd talk about fig trees, Ficus carica. Now I could talk about them for a long time, but I'll try and keep it brief. So for all of you that don't know, fig trees are a Mediterranean plant. They're cultivated generally for their delicious figs that they produce. There are many varieties, like apple trees, there are lots of different varieties. But for our purposes here in the UK, I think figs can be used both as an ornamental and as a plant to produce delicious fruits. They've got a wide range of uses, many of them very architectural and quite surprising in some ways. For instance, did you know that these big leaf plants can tolerate windy conditions? They can tolerate coastal conditions. One of the few large leafed small trees that will tolerate coastal conditions. So again, amazing. Another feature about them is that although they're deciduous, everybody's always asking for evergreen trees, they are actually very valuable for winter form and texture. If you look over here, you can see that they have beautiful grey, very knobbly trunks. Quite smooth, but just a lovely ghostly grey that in a winter's day can stand out and look very, very stunning. And again, very easy to grow as well. They'll tolerate most soils. They'll tolerate poor stony soils. They'll tolerate sandy soils, acid or alkaline. They don't want to be planted in wet soils, obviously, Mediterranean origin. So try and avoid that. Having said that, I'm in West Sussex on heavy wheelstone clay, and I have a very beautiful fig tree over 10 years old. They don't need to be planted with root restrictions. A lot of the old books will tell you they have to have a restricted root. Indeed, when I was at college, it was suggested that they were grown in a Gladstone bag and planted like that to constrict the roots so that they grew better. That's absolute nonsense. You don't need to do that. One thing that is really exciting about figs is the leaf. It's beautiful. It's very architectural. It has got great medicinal values. You can use it to make tea, and it does all sorts of curative benefits if you do that. The best thing about them for me though is the figs. Take a look at this. I picked these last night. They're absolutely delicious. This is a variety called Brown Turkey. Brown Turkey perhaps is most widely known. The reason being is that I think it was the one that was first introduced by the Victorians, grown here, and everybody that's ever written a book or ever said anything about figs has looked in past references, because I don't believe Brown Turkey is necessarily the best fig, but it's the one that's most commonly available. There are lots of other varieties and it's worth trying these. So here we are, Bruce from Big Plant with a beautiful Brown Turkey fig, signing off. Bye for now.